And you were just mentioning the flyover roofs, which, Carmen's hasn't got that.
No, but we have now designed a flyover that fits on the QCBs.
And what do you mean by flyovers? Because some people say, well, what does that mean?
It's just it's a canopy that comes out, and then it would have a support post. So you can come out 900 mil, 1200 mil, 1800 mil, or 2 meters 400 mil.
Right.
Which is
and the advantage of that is what, it shades you from the sunshine or the rain, or
some people like it. If they're standing at the door with the bag and it's raining, they've got a cup of tea in one hand, they can unlock the door and not get wet. They look good as well. That's one of the things. If you look on the website now, we've got pictures of QCBs with flyover roofs. They do look attractive.
They look classy, don't they?
Yeah. And then you can have the decking and the flyover, which looks good. I mean, we have got one at the workshop that's just getting built, so the video will be up of that.
We'll get a video of that. And you also said it can go on any side.
Yes. So you could come out here, and
so we could have it on the side, or the front, or even the rear. You said.
Yes, you could have it all the way around.
Right.
And you could have a post. It'd always have a post. It needs a post to support the roof.
Right.
So and any depth really.
And how does it work with rainfall? If you had quite a large flyover, how do you cope with that?
It's an independent roof, so it's got its own downpipes. Again, we don't have all the water coming down one downpipe, so we put different downpipes. So these posts that we're talking about have a downpipe comes through the post.
I see.
Under the studio.
Okay.
It takes the water away.
Right. And can you see those? The guttering and everything.
You see from the top is gravel. On the top there's a pea gravel layer that's laid on top of the rubber. That's there to stop if a firework landed on your roof, for example, and it retains the rubber down the gravel, so it's a nice looking finish. So your neighbours looking out, this looks like a patio really.
Right. Okay, that's great. Thank you.